all. Thank you so much for coming back once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lorraine Kageha. Welcome to the Lolo Gang. This is the winning team. Yes, this is the winning team. And we are winning. We are really winning. So I want to first of all thank you so much for your support. And if you are just a viewer, if you are that person who just views my videos and you've not yet subscribed, why are you doing this to me? Please just subscribe to my channel and help me grow. This is a baby channel that I'm struggling to make it grow. It's literally finding its way into the market. So before I go far, I am so proud of myself. I made this headband myself. Wow, it helps me during those bad hair days. If you know, you know. Sometimes I don't like it plain, and so I added this flower that I also made. Wow, proud me. And guess what? It's adjustable. You can place it anywhere. Please comment if you would like to know how to make this amazing headband. People have been asking me if I decided to channel down my video into a tutorial how to end DIY channel, and that's not the case. So the case is, due to this COVID-19 issue, I decided the things that I'm doing and put it on my channel, because this was also to be part of the channel. So I decided let me just start with these tutorials, and when things get back to normal, I will now bring whatever I had promised you in my trailer, the interviews, life stories, and reviews. I did not narrow down my channel into a DIY and how to channel. No, that's not the case. I have amazing lineup for you. Oh my, you just can't wait. But now I can't do anything because I have to stay at home, and I hope you are doing that. I hope you're staying at home. I hope you're sanitizing. Anytime you walk out, just remember this. I cannot talk much about this COVID-19 because I don't have that much information to share, so I might end up lying. So, but with the little that I know, just mask, sanitize, social distance, and pray. Remember to pray. Yeah, so that's all I had for you today, and I still love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. You people are so wonderful. Without you, I couldn't have gotten that encouragement. Like, it's not easy, but just having this support system behind me keeps me going, because most of you people are giving me that positive vibe. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Comment anything, share, like, and tell me what you would like me to do. If you got 156 subscribers, it's me. Yes, you sharing, commenting, and liking my videos, and just spread the word. Tell someone there's this lady called Lorraine. She has a channel. Please subscribe to her channel. How about that? Yes, so tuendelee kusaidiana, and if you also need my support anywhere, if I can help, or if you think I can help, just contact me and we will see how we can do. Tuendelee kukaa safe, tuendelee kuomba, and God will surely help us. God will answer our prayers. See you on my next video, and I don't want to go. Sitaki kwenda, but I have to. Oh yeah. Okay, see you on my next video, which is still a tutorial until we get back to normal. That's when I'll start bringing the timeline as we had planned, like interviews, life stories, reviews, just anything. And it's going to be mad. It's going to be lit. Set in touch my DIYs and tutorials. I'll still continue, but then nitakuwa nikizi balance. So thank you so much, and for those who are questioning me, I hope nime answer your question. So let me just stop it at that, because I'm so sure many understand, and you're good people. I know you know. If you don't know now, you know you good people, and God will bless you for me. Thank you so much once again. Nawapenda sana. Bye bye.